Insert multi-mesh brushes contain several pre-modeled meshes available to place into your currently unsubdivided mesh for quick base meshes or kit bashing purposes. IMM Army Curve features 7 Army-related curve IMM brushes. You can move your curve by dragging it, as well as extend your curve by continuing your stroke from either end. Change your draw size and click on the curve to update. When done editing, click on the open area to commit and remove the curve. IMM Basic features a small set of primitives, including a variety of ring shapes. Enable your Gizmo 3D to cycle through your IMM collection. IMM Boolean contains 37 tech forms for intended Boolean use, rather with Dynamesh or live Booleans. Hold the Alt key while inserting an IMM brush to mark it as a subtractive mesh. Next, clear your mask and Dynamesh to process your Boolean. IMM Parts houses 20 assorted body parts like torsos, eyes, ears, heads, arms, and legs. IMM Clothing Hard W is a small collection of buckles and button snaps for clothing. IMM Curved Brush is made from 30 assorted curved brushes like chains, buttons, wires, and vines. IMM Gun features over 100 pieces to create a custom gun base or other tech-inspired creations. IMM IND Parts is a small set of screw heads, nuts, pins, and more. IMM Machine Parts contains a 30-piece set of unique nuts, pistons, vents, and more. IMM Model Kit is a large 120-piece variety of circular caps, fasteners, holds, and panels. IMM Parts features a group of bolts, gears, screws, and patterns. IMM Primitives contains similar primitives with unique topology or open edges. IMM Primitives H offers similar set of primitives with different resolution and a few different primitives like H capsule and single poly. IMM Spaceship is a hefty collection of simple and detailed futuristic themed geometry. IMM Steam Gears holds 32 variations of gears and rivets. IMM Tomb is a combination of 52 tomb-styled body parts to kit bash into new creations for sculpting. IMM Zipper M is a small variety of zipper curved brushes, all featuring rectangular teeth. IMM Zipper P is a small variety of zipper curved brushes, all featuring standard teeth. Insert Cylinder EXT is an insert mesh curve brush that inserts a single tech style tube design.